Hello. Happy Friday. I know although we are under quarantine, many of you are still working, and so hopefully you are logged out of your computers at home, if you are working from home, and hope you're ready for the weekend to celebrate with your families and spend more quality time with them. I am Maxine Reyes, and I see that people are coming on, but I won't wait around because I don't want to have you waiting. But thank you for joining me. This is my first time on here on a Friday, and this is a new change from the Sunday day that I used to come on and chat with you guys live. So if you don't know me from the Sunday evening at 7 p.m. show, I am Maxine Reyes, and just wanted to come on here and introduce myself to you so you'll know that this is a time I'll be on. It's a new time on Fridays at 6 p.m. So I'll be talking between 6 and 7 p.m. But there is a format to this show. And so Sincerely Maxine Reyes is where we discuss life. And life is an acronym that I use for lifestyle, inspiration, fit for the role, which I'll break down for you, and then entertainment. Now, when it comes to entertainment, I'm not sure how much of the entertainment part that we're going to be able to do on Facebook Live, because Facebook has a way of cutting people off when it comes to live music or just music playing at all. So we're going to test it out and then we'll see where that takes us. So if you are joining me for the first time, or if you are just on here like you have been on a Sunday with me, please tell me where you're joining me from. Put your city, and if you're from Jamaica or wherever it is that you're joining us from, because on Sunday evenings I have people dialing from UK, Australia, Canada, all over the United States. So we want to be able to give you guys a shout out and really know where our audience is tuning in from. Okay, so please do me that favor and comment below where you're joining us from. So there are many things that I love to do and I love to share. So I'll be sharing with you right here at 6 p.m. every Friday. And some of you joined me on Sundays, but I had to change the days from Sundays because of my schedule. Hopefully this can be consistent. Hi, Marcia. Marcia is dialing in from England. Thank you for letting us know. Janice is in Ireland. Thank you. See, I know that people are all over the place, not just Florida. So thank you for joining me from England, Ireland, and Natalie is also from England. Thank you very much. So if this is a time that you usually tune in to Jamaicans.com, I'll be on here every Friday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. or between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. It may cut short. Like today, I'm not going to be on here for too long because it's an introduction and I don't really have a topic per se to talk about unless you drop something in there. And Francis is joining us from Guadeloupe. Thank you for joining us, Francis. So fit for the role, lifestyle, inspiration, and entertainment is going to be what we're going to be talking about here on Sincerely Maxine Show. Lifestyle is we're going to talk about food, fashion, health, and wellness. As far as the inspiration, there'll be inspirational quotes and guests talking about faith, just anything that has to do with inspiration, and even musical guests too. But I'm going to put most of that in the entertainment portion. So we'll have Fit for the Role next. That's going to be more on self-development. We're going to provide tips in all areas of self-development, whether it's life and relationships, money. We talk about budgeting, money within the home, couples, marriage, finances, buying a house, buying a car, whatever stage in your life that you are. We are going to be providing you with that. So I'm not going to be the only one. I'm going to get the third-party app to bring guests on to this show. So they are going to be the experts in these areas. And I will have them provide you all the information that you need or that they can provide you. We'll also talk about just public speaking skills. Some people are scared to be in front of an audience, or even scared to be on here live talking like I am talking to you now. So we'll just give you guys some tips, like just anything that has to do with building confidence in presenting in front of an audience, whether it's in person or on your Facebook Live or YouTube channel or whatever it is. We'll bring that to you. We'll also have lawyers on here, attorneys on here, giving you legal tips. I have some partners that will be joining me to give you some legal tips, and you'll have questions for them. You just ask, and my guests will help you. When it comes to entertainment, anything goes when it comes to entertainment. So you may experience a guest performance or me performing for you, because I am a singer. If you don't know me, I do sing. And just a little background about me. So I was born in Jamaica. I grew up born in Kingston, Augustone. Grew up in South Manchester, Marley Hill, and before I migrated, I ran track for Homewood High, and then I migrated to South Florida. That's where I called home until I joined the military after graduation from Miramar High. So I joined the military. I spent 22 years and recently retired. Yay! and now I am doing different things for fun, but I also am a mommy of an 11-year-old and a wife of a soldier, so he's still active duty. And right now I help people, I do life coaching and help folks with their speeches whenever they're going to do public speaking, and teach vocal health as well. So caring for your voice while you're out there singing, speaking, doing voiceovers, or if you're an actress or actor, I help you with that, okay? Because I've been using my voice forever, but I've sang for large audiences, and that has been something that I truly, truly enjoy. So I'm going to give you guys some more shout outs. Excuse me, I had to take a sip. We have Audrey from Canada, Angela from New Jersey, and Maxine. I think Maxine joined me on Sundays too, my twin. Maxine's joining from Wichita, Kansas. So there are more of you on here. Please type in and let me know where you're tuning in from. So when it comes to entertainment, from me directly, hi Abidi. From me directly, you're going to hear songs like love songs. And so this is a song I sang for my husband when I first met him. It's a Keith Washington song. So you'll hear songs of love, and then you'll hear inspirational songs from me. So songs like, tonight's the night we will share. Turn off the lights, come close to me. Tell me I'm all you ever need. Oh, tell me it's not just a dream. And if it is, come close to me. Tell me I'm all you ever need. Oh, loving you all through the night. So you'll hear songs like that. Or I can put a spin on it and go straight inspirational and sing songs like, you are here, moving in our midst. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, working in this place. I worship you. I worship you. So songs like those, you'll be hearing that from me, okay? So this is just a test giving you information about the Sincerely Maxine Show, and you're going to be hearing about life, period. And as I said, life is lifestyle, inspiration, fit for the role when it comes to self-development and entertainment. Whatever it is that Facebook will allow us to do with music, we will do it on here. And it won't be from me, it'll be from me and guests, but just want to let you know that you probably hear from me too, okay? Let's see who else joined us. Carol joined us from Berkshire, England. Oh, Audrey says awesome voice. Thank you. I'm always better standing up, but I don't have a perfect situation here, so I just sang it sitting down, which is bad. Hi, Francis. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So I truly appreciate you guys joining in and engaging and letting me know where you're tuning in from. So also let me know what topics you would like for me to speak on. Here's my website, MaxineReyes.com. And just for you to see my bio and a little bit of my resume. And then you can tell me what topics you think you'd love to hear from me, okay? Because I'm going to bring you some stuff, but I don't like to just talk about what I want to talk about. I love to talk about what you want to hear as well. And if I'm not the expert, I will get somebody on here to join me and speak with you, okay? All right, so I have an announcement. Tomorrow at noon, I'll be... I think Jamaicans.com is going to have it live because they're the media sponsor. But we are going to be live with the Jamaican Women of Florida. I'll be your host, your MC, and moderating a panel, an amazing panel. So I did this 2 weeks ago, and we talked about resetting your life, especially during this time. So tomorrow is number 2, part 2 of the series, and I'll be talking about rebalance. And so we have 3 amazing guests. We're going to be discussing finance, nutrition, and fitness. So we have 3 experts in those areas. So if you are having any issues at all in those areas, tomorrow is a great time to join us, okay? So we would definitely appreciate you joining us. Go to the Jamaican Women of Florida website and you can find out more. You can register. It's free of cost, by the way. It's free for everybody. Men and women can join us, support us. We're going to have a chat room for you guys to engage in. It's going to be amazing. The first one was a lot of fun, and tomorrow we're looking forward to it again, okay? So that is jwoflorida.org. That's the Jamaican Women of Florida.com or jwoflorida.org. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions for me right now, I'd love to answer. Otherwise, I am not going to be on here for too long. I just wanted to come on and introduce myself to you, let you know a little bit about my background. And for those of you who are joining, I was letting them know that I grew up in Jamaica, came here as a teenager to South Florida, where I lived until I graduated from high school in Miramar High and joined the military. Spent 22 years between the Air Force and the Army. I did 11 years in the Air Force and 11 years in the Army. And now I am finished with the military as far as on the active duty side. I still serve in a different capacity with military spouses. I'm a mentor for military spouses because I have been a military spouse for going on 23 years. This month will be 23 years. So yeah, I have some experience when it comes to relationships, and that's where a lot of people love to ask me questions about marriage and relationships and dating and all of that good stuff. So that's one of the popular topics on here that I've been discussing over the past few weeks, and I will do that again. You ask me the questions and I'll answer them, and if I don't know the answer, I'll find out from another expert and I'll get that to you, okay? So be safe out there, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you can join us tomorrow for the Jamaican Women of Florida, please do sign up today. It's free of cost to everybody. Big up Jamaica. Yes, 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 Audrey. Thank you. And where are you joining from, Audrey? Let me see if you already told me. Okay, you're from Canada. Cool beans. But thank you for joining me, and be sure to place this on your schedule for Fridays at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. and I'll have some guests on here. Some of them may be from Jamaica, some of them may not be from Jamaica, but they're going to be all experts in their field. And I'll share some personnel who, especially women who have served in the military with me, because it's not an easy task to serve in a majority male world, so our profession. So I will definitely be highlighting some of the women who have been trailblazers in our military, and they're from the Caribbean, whether Jamaica or Trinidad or wherever in the Caribbean. I'll definitely be highlighting them on here as well. Okay, so join me, put this on your calendar, Fridays 6 p.m. Jamaicans.com right here, and tune in at 7 p.m. There's going to be another show coming on tonight with Leo Gillins and another team. So please tune in to them as well at 7 p.m. I don't want to be on here blabbing away about nothing else. So we have, thank you so much, Audrey. I truly appreciate that. Melissa is joining us from New Jersey, and I think Melissa is Jamaican because she has the Jamaican flags up. So big up to you, and please be safe out there, and remember to do all things with love, courage, grace, and gratitude. And I'll talk to you guys next week, Friday at 6 p.m. And some of you may join me tomorrow at noon via the Jamaican Women of Florida website. So thank you so much. Jenny says, my man Sedley is here with me from Kingston. Okay, hello, Sedley. And Joanne Richardson joining from Bermuda. Thank you, Joanne. So I will see you guys tomorrow at noon. And I believe Jamaicans.com is going to be streaming live right here. So noon to 2, we're going to be on with the Jamaicans.com. Check out their website and hopefully you can join me. Hello, Audrey from the UK. Thank you guys so much. And for those of you on the replay, one love. Talk to you guys. Bye.